Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Fallen here for Sputnik Entertainment. Happy Friday. Thank you very much for showing our content. Once again, another week of love. So for today's video, we're going to be doing something different. And we're taking a look at our first cryptocurrency and blockchain project, which is Sweatcoin, an app that rewards you for working out. So if you plan on doing some working out this weekend, or if you plan on hiking or going to a park, you might want to download this app. It's available on iOS and Android devices. So pretty much everybody besides the few people that might have a BlackBerry or a Windows phone out there. But I thought I would take a look at it. I'm surprised it took me this long to make a video on it because I've been using this app for over a year. I actually signed up a few of my family members. They're enjoying using it. It's a great app to get rewarded for working out. So we're taking a look at sweatcoin.com if you want to take a look at it yourself. And if you're interested in giving this app a shot, I'm going to include our referral link in the description of this video, and you get a nice sign-up bonus for doing so. And it helps us make more amazing content and channel to grow. So we're going to be starting from the top. Hi, we're Sweatcoin. We want a healthier you on a healthier planet. We achieve this by converting your steps into a currency to spend on our cool products and services. I like their design. It's a very beautifully designed website. Like money, but healthier, and they have a video if you guys want to go to the website yourself and take a look at it. Why are we doing this? Because your steps are value to you, your health insurer, and society. Soon, Sweatcoins will become a universally accepted form of payment. Walk, earn, spend, repeat. It pays to walk. Of course, if you want to jog or run, they can track that as well. As of right now, they only do outdoor tracking. So do keep that in mind if you plan on using it. And of course, with apps that kind of track your movement or track your data and give you some sort of reward, the biggest concern is always, are they going to sell your data to a third company? And am I just kind of providing them information for pennies? Well, they do not do so, and they clearly state that. We do not sell your data. The safety of your data is our top priority. It's not for sale to any third party and never will be. They have a privacy policy statement and also a verification algorithm for people who understand coding and want to jump into it. I'm not much of a coder myself, but for few of you who might be, who watch this video, you guys are more welcome to do so. We are the fastest growing health app ever, and you can actually see some of their charts they've been on. #1 app store in Canada, UK, Poland. Steps converted into currency. This is a lot of numbers. I don't even know how many steps that is, and they're saying it's in real time. So it's slowly climbing up towards bigger and bigger numbers. #1 in Italy. Once again, they've been in a lot of different charts. Academic research confirms that Sweatcoin causes a sustainable uplift in physical activity, and they have a statement from British Journal of Sports Medicine. Sweatcoin has achieved sustainable physical activity behavior change using a valuable business model that continuously rewards its users for being active. Future public health organizations may benefit from establishing partnerships with the commercial sector to deliver a sustainable, incentive-driven programs. And if you want to read their full statement on it, there is also a link to do so. They say that it's a 20% activity increase for people being active that use this app. What can you buy with my Sweatcoins? Of course, that's the most important part of the video, and this is why it rewards you. Goods, services, experiences ranging from high-tech shoes to iPhones, from anti-gravity yoga classes to Apple Watches. Now, this is only a fraction of what they have to offer. They sometimes have discounts, they have promotions, they have trials you can purchase. You can buy even vacation experiences like to Paris, to Disney World. They have a skiing vacation that I've seen before. Of course, they're not the cheapest rewards out there, but if you want to team up with a couple of your friends and see if one of you can go on a nice trip while earning some prizes, it's definitely an option. My mom sends me sometimes some of her points. I sometimes send her some of mine, and we try to get some prizes. So it's a fun way to work out because you're actually being rewarded for it. Because if you think about it, yes, it's fitness, you're being healthier, but on top of it all, you can get paid for working out. So what could be better? But if you also can donate your points, An even better way to use your sweat coins is to give them to charity. Once our community has crowdfunded enough sweat coins to reach the target sum, we donate it to our NGO partners. We support environmental, humanitarian, and animal preservation causes. And it tells you that over 1 million points have went out, or coins went out to different campaigns. It tells you how many sweat coins have been contributed. I'm sorry, over 1 million sweat coiners contributed, and has contributed to over 10 different campaigns, and this is the amount of sweat coins have been donated. How do sweat coins get their value? Through partners, insurers, and governments. Partnership-wise, the value of Sweatcoin is delivered from our wide-reaching partnerships from brands that want to connect with health-conscious audience, insurers wishing to encourage healthier lifestyle choices, and governments looking to reduce healthcare costs. Innovative insurance companies are using Sweatcoin as an insurance distribution and a policyholder engagement program. So now insurance companies are getting involved. And government, Sweatcoin helps users become 20% more active each day, even after 6 months. This has the potential to transform public health by using Sweatcoin as prevention tool for sustained behavior change. And that's true. My mom was not much of a worker out beforehand, but since she started using Sweatcoin, she has become a lot more active. She talks about reaching her daily goals and getting the bonuses and all sorts of partnerships that she's trying to get into and rewards. They have principal partners, and they have their advisory board. Sweatcoin enjoys the advice of a number of recognized professionals in the healthcare field that have been carefully selected and appointed to their for their personal qualities, experiences, and specialist knowledge, ensuring an independent perspective to decision making. So it's not like they just have their staff making all the decision. They have a board of very smart individuals, and I believe you can click on them and learn more. And let me know, what do you guys think about Sweatcoin? I know that it's a very simple overview, but I just thought I would take a look at it. They have some of their partners listed there. You can also see the activity map. Step activity during the pandemic. The present map reflects the relative change in the physical activity of Sweatcoin users by country. The baseline is defined as the average number of steps in the country between mid-January through end of February. And you can also reach out to them for data analytics. So that's pretty cool. So they're doing some study, some analysis, and you guys can see that there's like headspace meditation promotions, all sorts of discounts. You can learn about it. And they're very much active on social media. If you look at their Instagram profile, they have over 100,000 followers. They constantly post different things and current rewards and partnerships that you can go through. And they have a presence on Twitter as well. I don't like showing off their Facebook presence of companies, but as we take a look at it, they are very much active on social media. And I would love to have them on an interview. If you guys have any questions for Sweatcoin that you might want me to talk about, let me know. Also, let me know if you guys use any similar apps, or if you have used Sweatcoin before, and if you got any prizes, or if you have any concerns about the apps, about, of course, when it comes to data and privacy and what sort of data do they collect or don't collect, let me know, and I'll do my best to answer this video. Or to answer those questions in potential next video. Once again, this is not a sponsored video by any means. It's a company that I've been using personally, and I thought I would share it. Once again, I talked to you guys about investing, different sources of passive income, secondary sources of income, and potentially you can get something as a prize from Sweatcoin, and if you don't want it, you can sell it and generate some actual US dollars or your local currency. Anyways, guys, it's a nice and easy video to wrap up the week. Hopefully, you guys had an amazing week. What was your favorite video this week? Let me know. I would love to hear. Let me know on social. All the social links are in the description of this video. And let me know if there is something you want us to cover next week, something special that you have been keeping an eye on, and we'll do our best to do so. Anyways, guys, it's been a wrap. It's been your boy Fallen. I am out of here. Peace.